Hello, how are you? I am just Rodolento, and at this moment, I am your source of information or idea about the one important part of our agricultural aspect, which is biological control. And to define that, let me show you first this video.
Our crops are being damaged by pests and diseases. Integrated Pest Management or IPM aims to suppress pests and diseases below economic result while respecting environmental consideration as much as possible. IPM uses a whole set of tactics including the use of chemical crop protection. However, the use of chemical crop protection in agriculture and horticulture is becoming more and more restrictive. Nature has its own method to protect plants against pests and diseases, naturally occurring enemies, attacking insects, bacteria, fungi, and viruses, which potentially cause damage in plants. These result in natural balance. These natural enemies exist in all kinds of forms. The natural enemies of pest insects can be predators, parasitoids, or pathogens. The natural enemies of pathogens are antagonistic bacteria, fungi, and viruses, which suppresses the growth and activity of plants. Pathogens cropping system often lack sufficient enemies, leading to crop damage. Fortunately, we are able to develop biological control products from the natural occurring enemies. After collecting, selecting, and multiplying the best performing natural enemies present in their natural environment, we're able to develop them into biological control products.
Yeah, that's right, my boy. I know you have the idea about the biological control. So let me push it through. So when we say biological control, it can be defined as the use of um, natural organism to reduce the population density of another organism, just like beneficial organism, to kill the non-beneficial organism that surely affects your plants or crop.
All creatures on this earth have the right ability to live and survive. Hence, we did not and cannot eradicate any pest, pathogens, or weeds. It is enough it is kept under control. It avoids economic damage to our crops. We have to follow chemical integrated farm management system. For this purpose, there are many useful insects and organisms in our nature. They will be one of another natural enemy for all creatures. This brings the balance in the ecosystem, but the interference of man disturbs this balance. Indiscriminate the use of pesticides that kill the predators like spiders, frog, snake, and bird that lead to the sudden multiplication of someone unknown pest, and this has gone out of control. Coconut mite, sugarcane, woolly, aphid, etc. are the best example for this. If you stop spraying pesticide and minimize our interference, the situation will recover soon.
Well, understanding the principles of biological control is a significant various aspects in agriculture, conservation, and pest management. It aids to the development of natural methods of manage pest diseases and invasive species using natural mechanisms such as predators, parasites, or pathogens rather than relying solely on chemical pesticides. Right?
And implementing biological control practices on farm, it involves several steps. First, assessment and monitoring. Identify the pest issues on your farm and assess the existing biological balance. Second, identification of beneficial organism. Identify and understand the natural enemies of pests causing problem on your farm. Research or seek expert to know which beneficial organism can effectively control this pest. Third, selecting suitable biological control agent. Choose appropriate biological control agent based on their effectiveness against specific pests, compatibility with the environment, and safety consideration for non-target species. Fourth, release and establishment. Release the selected biological control agent strategically. Ensure proper condition like temperature, humidity for the successful establishment and reproduction on the farm. Fifth, habitat management. Create or maintain habitats that encourage the presence and persistence of beneficial organisms. Sixth, minimizing disrupt factors. Reduce or eliminate the use of chemicals pesticide that could harm beneficial organisms. Seventh, regular evaluation and adjustment. Continuous monitor the effectiveness of biological control agents. Adjust strategies based on seasonal variation, changes in pest population, and other environmental factors. The last, educational and training. Educate farm workers about the importance and methods of biological control. Proper training ensures that everyone understands and supports these practices.
By following the steps and integrating biological control into farm management practices, you can establish a more sustainable and environmental friendly approach to pest control in agriculture.
Absolutely, this knowledge will help maintain ecological balance, environmental impact, and also will support the long-term health of ecosystem or the agricultural system. So may I encourage you to please practice biological control or natural manipulation of pesticide in your small farm, or just start in your backyard by using or relying on our biological control in order to preserve our environmental condition or our ecosystem. That's good. Thank you.